Hello students, let us go for the concluding part of chapter 9 Smart Technology. Let us discuss about the IoT components. The IoT is actually having the 6 components. As you know the definition of the IoT, it is the connection of a number of devices through local area network and through internet. So the devices are the most important part of your IoT. Various devices connected to IoT forms the components for interaction and communication with other IoT devices. It may include various mobile, non-mobile devices fitted with sensors. Then the next part is local network. This is the components for processing and analysis of local operations. Internet, this is the outside network through which the data is transferred to remote processing and analysis. Then backend services, components for handling web services of applications comprising of processors, servers, etc. Based on the data received, some actuators may be activated. Application, this includes various applications for communication, processing, analytics and storage. Then next part is your user interface. This is the interface between the human and machine to access the IoT. So 6 major components. Here you can see in the figure the things. First, the most important part of your IoT. Number of things are being connected by the local network. They are connected to the outside world through internet. Then the internet transfers the data to the backend services where you may have certain processing. Then through application the users will be interacted. On one end we have various devices which includes processors, sensor, fitted equipments, radios, etc. which senses the data. These are called as IoT nodes. These devices can talk to each other and they are under the control of a gateway. The gateway takes care of the addressing of the devices in that particular local area network. From the gateway, the sensor data passes through a proxy server to reach the internet. Then the data passes through the WebSocket. From the WebSocket, the data moves on to the cloud server. It is in this cloud server backend processing analytics takes place. Based on the analytics and inferences, the actuation takes place on the sensed data. Actuation may include lighting a lamp or turning off a motor or a fan, etc. So what are the sensors? A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The specific input could be light, heat, motion, moisture, pressure or any one of a great number of other environmental phenomena. The output generally a signal that is converted to human readable display at the sensor location or transmitted electronically over a network for reading or further processing. Examples are infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensor, camera sensor, smoke detection sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, etc. The sensors can be classified into two broad categories based on the output, analog and digital. Based on the data measured, it can be scalar or vector. So analog sensor, they produce a continuous output signal or voltage which is generally proportional to the quantity being measured. Whereas digital sensors, they produce discrete digital output signal. The voltages that are a digital representation of the quantity being measured. In case of scalar sensors, you will only measure the magnitude, whereas in case of vector sensors, you have to measure the magnitude along with the direction. Actuators. An actuator is a component of a machine or system that moves or controls the mechanism of the system. An actuator requires a control signal and a source energy. When the actuator receives the control signal, it converts the source energy to the mechanical motion. The control signal can be a fixed mechanical or electric system, or software based printer driver or robotic control system, a human or any other input. So actuators are the components or the part which is responsible for the action to be taken at the output end. Then we will go for the next portion, that is applications of IoT. Why we will read IoT? Applications of IoT are found almost in all domains of life. It includes business, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, security, transport and other domains. Smart home. It is possible to switch on air conditioning before reaching home or switch off lights even after we have left home. Similarly, we can unlock the doors to friends for temporary access even when we are not at home. IoT is building products to make our life simpler and convenient. Smart home companies, few of the examples of smart home companies are Nest, Ecobee, Ring, August, etc. Wearables. Wearables like smartwatch have experienced an explosive demand in the markets all over the world. The wearable devices are installed with sensors and software which collect data and information about the users. The data is later pre-processed to extract essential insights about the users. These devices broadly cover fitness, health and entertainment requirements. The wearable devices which should be highly energy efficient and low power and small sized. Company like Samsung, Apple, those are working on this particular area. Connected cars and smart cars. The automotive digital technology has focused on optimizing vehicles' internal functions. But now this attention is growing towards enhancing the in-car experience. A connected car is a vehicle which is able to optimize its own operation. Maintenance as well as comfort of passengers using onboard sensors and internet connectivity is ensured. For example, if a car coming in opposite direction switches on the indicator to the left, our car understands it and takes action accordingly. Most of the large companies working on connected car and smart car solutions, Tesla, BMW, Apple, Google, are working on bringing revolution. Smart industry. It is empowering industrial engineering with sensors, software and big data analytics to create brilliant machines. Smart machines are more accurate and consistent than humans in communicating through data. This data can help companies in picking up inefficiencies and problems sooner. IIoT helps for quality control and sustainability. Applications for tracking goods, real-time information, exchange about inventory among suppliers and retailers, and automated delivery will increase the supply chain efficiency. Smart cities. Smart surveillance, automated transportation, smart energy management system, water distribution, urban security and environmental monitoring are examples of IoT applications of smart cities. IoT will solve major problems faced by the people living in cities of pollution, traffic congestion, shortage of energy supplies, etc. Products like cellular communication enabled smart belly trash will send alerts to the municipal services when the bin needs to be emptied. By installing sensors and using web applications, citizens can find free available parking slot across the city. The sensors can detect meter tampering issues, general malfunctions, and any installations issue in the electricity system. Smart agriculture. Sensing of soil moisture and nutrients, controlling water usage for plant growth, and determining custom fertilizer are some simple uses of IoT in agriculture. This helps in food production. Smart farming is the fastest growing fields in the IoT. Smart retail. IoT provides an opportunity to retailers to get connected with the customers to enhance the in-store experience. Smartphones will be the way for retailers to remain connected with their consumers even out of store. Interacting through smartphones and using beacon technology can help retailers serve their consumer in a better manner. They can also track consumers' path through a store and improve store layout and place premium product in high traffic areas. Energy management. Power grids of the future will not only be smart enough but also be highly reliable. The basic idea behind the smart grids is to collect data in an automated fashion and analyze the behavior of electricity consumers and suppliers for improving efficiency as well as economics of electricity usage. Smart grids will also be able to detect sources of power outages more quickly and at individual household levels like nearby solar panel, making possible distributed energy system. Smart healthcare. It is aimed at empowering people to live healthier life by wearing connected device. The collected data will help in personalized analysis of an individual's health and provide tailor-made strategies to combat illness. In smart healthcare, devices are connected to hospitals, doctors, and relatives to alert them of medical emergencies and take preventive or necessary measures. Smart poultry and farming. Livestock monitoring is about animal husbandry and cost saving. Using IoT applications to gather data about the health and well-being of the cattle, ranchers know early about the sick animal which can be pulled out and help prevent large number of sick cattle. With help of collected data, ranchers can increase the poultry productions. Smart dust. This consists of sensors at the nanotechnology level that can be deployed in the millions to billions. They are computers smaller than a grain of sand and can be sprayed or injected almost anywhere to measure chemicals in the soil to diagnose problems in the human body. The devices are to be in a large use in the future for anything from global weather management and smart city monitoring to war theater mapping and internal medicine. They are a single package with sensing, computation, communication and power to collect data and report it back to the home base. Other application. Smart parking of vehicles, detecting and regulating traffic congestion, smart lighting of cities, waste management, detection of river floods, landslides, earthquake in advance, monitoring of snow level, measuring and control air water pollution, forest fire detection, detection of leakage in a water transmission system, identification of radiation levels, explosive and hazardous gases, and smart rescue systems. So at the end, I would like to say that IoT is a rapidly growing field. New and improved technologies are constantly being developed. With so many areas of IoT requiring talented technical professionals for the hardware design, software coding, network and system engineering, product testing and validation, security analysis, data science, database programming, even technical documentation, there is a no shortage of positions available to the right candidate. I would like to say that there will be a number of job opportunities in the field of IoT. Even in the smart city, Raurkela also, you can have a lot of job. So if you are getting any chance to be trained under IoT, then go for it. Thank you.